Emergency. Emergency. Houston, we have a problem. Alright, well, remember when I said on your 12 volts to have a voltmeter in your cigarette lighter? It could save your bacon someday. Well, today it saved mine. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, 12.1, 12.0. Just make sure I have everything off here. Alright, 12.2, nothing running. Start up the car. Okay, so you could see that I was spinning the alternator and the fan, and I dropped a little bit the voltage when I started the car. So I did come around, and I got my multimeter. I did this earlier today, and I did test the terminals with my multimeter, and it did jive with that, with what the gauge said inside. So these don't have a volt gauge, these cars. They have an exciter wire. It's a blue wire that runs from back here, which I need to check. So this just happened. So it runs from over here. And I'll have to check the connectors in there. But the blue wire runs through the alternator light here in the battery one right there in the second gauge. So we have 5 gauges across, but no voltmeter. So that's why you definitely want the one in the cigarette lighter. So if you're below the 14.1 or 14.2 where it's supposed to be, either your alternator died, something came loose with the wiring, or your belt broke and you're going to overheat. So I was driving the car, my thing was flashing, my digital gauge was flashing, so at least I saw it. I'm like, okay, I know what that is. Next thing I checked was I wasn't overheating, so I knew I'd make it home. So from here I'll do some troubleshooting, and I did order an alternator just because I don't like the one that's in there. And the one I bought I don't like either, but I'm going to do the 12 volt AC at some point, so I'm going to have to order the 150 amp. So I just got one from AutoZone, and they had a coupon, so $160 lifetime warranty. And but that won't be in for a few days. But in the meantime, I'll do some troubleshooting with the car, and I'll film some of that, and I'll tape it and video it for your enjoyment. So that's where we're at, and look forward to making some more videos doing this great task.